In this video, you're going to learn how to price a contractor job from your phone before you quote it. Links are going to be directly below in the video description box. You can check this out for yourself. The actual tool, you can use it, check it out. If you want it, there's a link to this page right here. You can come and pick it up. If you have any questions for me, shoot me a comment in the comment section below. So stop quoting jobs that look good but leave you broke. Get a contractor pricing system that helps you check labor, materials, overhead, markup, margin, break even, and real profit before you send the quote. Open the pricing tool from your phone before you quote, then track real job cost after the work starts so you know what you actually kept. And here's all the benefits of it. You're also going to get a contractor closer kit scripts and templates and some other stuff that are included with this tool. But this is an awesome tool if you're a contractor. If you're on the move, heading to a job site, and you want to make sure your prices are exactly right, you're making what you need to make, your profit margin, you're going to want to use this tool to, verify all your numbers before you send a quote or whatever you got to do as far as pricing goes. So what this is it's right here. And so this is something useful you could put on your website, bookmark it, and just pull it up as soon as you're on a job site or before a job site so you actually know your numbers, so you're actually making what you're supposed to make instead of losing money. You're pricing your jobs correctly. So you got a job price builder, profit check, markup versus margin, break even, overhead allocation, and labor burden. So this is all a 6-in-1 tool that's going to do everything. You can do directly put this on a page on your site. If you want me to do it for you, I can do it for you, or you can do it yourself. It's easy to do it yourself as well. You got two options. So here we go. This is a job price builder. I'm going to show you what this does, and then you can come and check this out for yourself. So job name, we're just going to keep what it says, kitchen remodel. Put in whatever you want there. Customer name, you can put that in there. Estimator name, material cost, put the number in here. Labor cost, we'll say it's 500. You got subcontractor costs, equipment costs, permit costs, disposal costs, travel costs. And then you got your pricing settings over here. Adjust margin, overhead, and risk buffers. You can put that in here. Overhead percentage, desired net margin, contingency, risk buffers. You even got sales tax. You can check a box to add that to your numbers. So we're going to put equipment cost, whatever that may be. If you got any equipment costs, you can put that in there or leave it blank. Permit cost, we'll say 0 for that one. Travel cost, say it costs you $20 to get there in gas money. And all your numbers are going to come in right here. You got direct job cost, overhead, contingency, risk buffer. It's going to tell you the bare minimum and your target price with your net profit, your net margin, your markup percentage. This is your target price, the suggested price for a normal, healthy job. This is all based on your numbers. And it tells you if it's a safe bid. You can print or save this report. And same thing with the pricing settings. You put your numbers in here, and it's going to give you an exact number down here and tell you a target price, a bare minimum, and a strong price for what the numbers you put into the tool. Now we go over to the profit check. Check a price you already plan to quote. Total job cost, selling price, overhead percentage, contingency, sales tax percentage, and it's going to break it all down for you right here on the right-hand side. Markup versus margin. Markup is based on cost. Margin is based on selling price. A 25% markup does not mean a 25% profit margin. So right here with this tool, you enter your numbers. There's a couple boxes here, and it's going to tell you exactly what your numbers are and the markup percentage and all that good stuff. Break even. This is monthly fixed cost. Include yourself. Many contractors forget to pay themselves, and that is how the business slowly bleeds out. You got monthly overhead, owner salary target, debt payments, vehicle costs, software and admin, insurance, other fixed costs, average gross margin, average job price. Numbers come on over here once you fill this out. Overhead allocation. Pick a method that fits how your jobs run. The calculator shows how much overhead to add to this job. And then you got all your little inputs right here. And it's going to give you numbers down here once you put these in. Annual overhead, we'll just put a number in here. Annual labor hours. Annual revenue. And it's going to say how much overhead this job carries. Overhead rate per labor hour. And then you got job direct costs. I didn't fill these out, but it's all going to come on over here. And it tells you in plain English what your numbers mean. Labor burden. Find out what an hour of labor really costs the business. This number is almost always higher than the average. You got a base hourly wage, payroll tax percentage, health insurance per hour, workers' comp, other benefits per hour, paid time off percentage, non-billable time, target labor, profit margin. So you just fill these simple to fill out boxes right here, and you're going to get your numbers, and you're going to be good to go. The great thing, obviously, is you can be on your phone. Even if you're in a hurry, you're pulling up to a job site, and you need your numbers fast. You want to make sure you're not underpricing somebody. You want to obviously make money on every job that you do as much as possible. So this is gonna give you your numbers, so you're not losing money in literally seconds. So you can have this installed on your site. I can do it, like I said. Just get a hold of me. I'll leave my email address directly below. And there's also a done for you option where this product is actually done. All you gotta do is follow directions. If you can copy and paste, you can literally have this on your site in 2 minutes. And I'm not kidding about that. It's super easy. So take your pick. So if you want to come over and play with this tool, if there's something you want on your site, one load time fee for this product. And there's 3 actual products that go into this one, but this is the main product right here. The Contractor profit and pricing calculator, as you can see. This tool I just did a demo over. So yeah, that's it. So awesome tool. You don't have any recurring payments. It's just a one-time flat fee. You can have it on your site for forever, and it's going to help you price jobs on the go, and you don't have to worry about a recurring subscription and all that good stuff. It's very useful. Take advantage of it. Come check it out. And like I said, if you want to check this out for yourself, links are below, and my email if you want me to install this for you. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. Subscribe for all future video updates. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a question in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.